TikTok Shop Tutorial Philippines. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to set up your own TikTok shop in the Philippines and start making money. We'll cover everything from signing up, meeting the requirements, setting up your dashboard, adding products, and some tips to help you succeed in selling on TikTok Shop. So, if you're interested in turning TikTok into a source of income, keep watching until the end. Step 1. Sign up with your TikTok account. The first thing you need to do is sign up for TikTok Shop. You can do this by going to seller.tiktokglobalshop.com and clicking Sign Up. Choose how you want to sign up. You can use your TikTok account, phone number, or email. If you already have a TikTok account, it's best to use that for an easier process. Once you select your method, enter your phone number or email address and create a password. Click Sign Up and that's it. You now have a TikTok Shop seller account. At this stage, you have an account, but your shop is not fully set up yet. You'll need to complete the next steps to start selling. Step 2. Complete the requirements. After signing up, TikTok will ask you to complete your business details. Here's what you need to do. First, choose your business type. If you're a freelancer or personal seller, you can choose individual seller. If you have a registered small business, choose sole proprietor. If you run a company with multiple owners, choose corporation or partnership. Second is to enter your shop name. Choose a name that represents your products. Third, select the type of products you sell. You'll need to specify what kind of items you plan to sell. For example, fashion, electronics, beauty products, etc. Fourth, upload your ID. TikTok will require identification such as UMID, SSS, PhilSys ID, or passport for verification. However, passport may not be available at this time. Fifth, complete your contact details. Provide your phone number and business email so TikTok can reach you if you need it. Submit the information and wait for approval. TikTok usually reviews and approves applications within 24 to 48 hours. Once approved, you can start setting up your shop dashboard and adding products. Step 3. Exploring the TikTok Shop dashboard. Once your shop is approved, you'll gain access to the TikTok Shop Seller Center dashboard. This is where you'll manage your products, orders, payments, and promotions. Let's go over the main sections. Home. Overview of your shop's performance. You can manage your listings and add new products in the product section. You can track customer orders and manage shipping in the orders section. You can view your earnings, payouts, and transactions in finance. You can handle buyer inquiries and dispute in customer service. You can run promotions, discounts, and affiliate programs in the marketing section. Familiarizing yourself with the dashboard will help you manage your shop efficiently. Now let's add your first product. To sell on TikTok Shop, you need to list products. Here's how. First is to click on Add Product from the dashboard. Second, fill in the basic product information, such as product name, a clear and engaging title, category. You can choose the appropriate category for your product that you want to sell. You can also add a brand or select a brand or add your own. Third is to upload high-quality product images. Make sure the images are clear, well-lit, and show the product from different angles. Also, write a compelling product description. Highlight key features, specifications, and benefits as these will engage your customers in the products you sell. Next is to set your price. In doing this, you should consider your competitors' prices. Sixth, enter stock quantity. Keep your inventory updated. Choose your shipping options. TikTok Shop supports different couriers and you can set your shipping fees accordingly. Click Submit once you're done. Your product will go through TikTok's review process before being listed. Your product will be visible once TikTok approves it and buyers can start purchasing. Step 5. Order processing and shipping. Once someone buys your product, you'll need to fulfill the order. You can go to the Orders tab in your seller dashboard, then check the new orders and confirm availability. Prepare the package and make sure it's securely packed. Print the label or shipping label provided by TikTok Shop and ship the product using the selected courier. Update the order status to shipped to inform the buyer. After the customer receives the item and confirms delivery, TikTok will release the payment to your account. Take note, however, that TikTok may post some penalties if you ship out late. Step 6. Getting paid. You might be wondering, how do you get your earnings from TikTok Shop? You can go to Finance tab in your dashboard. Check your available balance. Payments are processed after a successful delivery. You can also link your bank account to receive payouts. Withdraw your earnings using TikTok because TikTok releases repayments weekly or based on your selected payout schedule. Step 7 is marketing your TikTok shop. To make sales, you need to promote your products effectively. Here are some strategies. First is to use TikTok videos and live selling. Create engaging TikTok videos showcasing your products. You can also go live to sell directly to viewers. This is the most trending as of the moment. Second is to collaborate with influencers. Partner with TikTok creators to promote your products. This is what we usually call affiliate marketing as well. Run TikTok ads. Invest in TikTok's paid promotions for more visibility. After all, TikTok ads are really not that expensive. Fourth is to use affiliate marketing. Allow other TikTok users to promote your products in exchange for a commission. Fifth is to offer discounts and promotions. Limited time sales attract more buyers. Step 8 are my tips for success. Here are some extra tips to maximize your earnings on TikTok Shop. First is to stay active on TikTok. Regularly post content related to your products. Provide excellent customer service. Fast responses and good reviews help boost your reputation. Next is to keep an eye on trends. Sell trending products that align with the TikTok audience. Next is to join TikTok Shop campaigns. TikTok often runs events that increase product visibility. Lastly, optimize your product listings. Use clear titles, descriptions, and high quality images. And that's how you can start and succeed in selling on TikTok Shop in the Philippines. If you follow these steps and tips, you'll be on your way to making your money online. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech and business tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!